love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is a final part of regular expression and this is chapter 30. I'm excited for two different things. One thing is we have covered the basis of Python. Okay. Chapter 30, 30 days we have covered the basis of Python. Now the next thing is going to be file handling. Okay, file handling, maybe it'll be a two-part lecture, and then we are getting into the data analysis mode, Panda, NumPy, and also machine learning side by side. Okay, so let's see what this regular expression part 4 is and why it is actually different, and let's take a deep dive. Namaste friends. So today is a final lecture in the regular expression. So we have seen this is a part 4. As promised, I'm not trying to take your time, so my style is give me your 10 minutes a day and for your betterment, and please try. I think any person, if they actually interested in their growth, they can give 10 minutes a day, and 10 minutes is nothing, especially in the day of social media. For you to take a picture to upload it, it's going to be like 3 to 4 minutes, and this is like you're learning for your career. So that is what I'm actually requesting. Okay, so 10 minutes a day per field. Okay, so I also upload AWS regularly. So this is also like going to be a similar thing. So like we have given enough expressions. So what did we see? Enough commands. So we saw the find all is coming common, that loop command is kind of common. It is only certain things which is actually changing in the sets, special sequence, the small d, capital A, capital Z, small w, capital W, and stuff of that nature. So today marks the final one, and we'll be seeing more of the find all. The find all is the one that we've been using constantly, and we'll be seeing few more commands. And this will conclude the regular expressions, and then we'll be getting into file handling. And after find handling is the important and interesting thing, Panda, and NumPy. All right. So I am excited. So let's actually take a deep dive and let's actually start practicing. We all know the the find all command. So the find all command is not a big thing. So let's actually practice. So the find all command, it actually returns a list containing all matches. So we say give me whatever is A, so we know the answer AI, so it needs to give me 2 times. So wherever the match is there, and this says an invalid syntax, and I don't know why the syntax is actually invalid. Maybe watch. I think this is what it is. So let's see. So because I actually put the text there and without the comma, without this hashtag, so that is why I gave the problem. So let's actually see the second command. So the second command is basically like there is a text, and Portugal is not here. So in the find all there is no Portugal, so there is no match. Yeah, no match. Very simple. We have already seen this, but we are actually revising. Okay, now we are going to a search command. So what does a search do is it actually searches the string for a match and returns a match object if there is a match. Okay, when you're actually searching for a particular thing, like say suppose you're searching for a screwdriver, okay, or a cricket ball or a soccer ball, the moment you find it, you will actually stop because you've actually found it. That is exactly the same story here. So let's actually practice. So this is a search command. We have done the find all. We have done enough of it. So let's actually see this. So what did we learn about the small s? It is a white space. Okay, where it is in the start. And not sure why this is coming 2 times. Yeah, this is the second command. So what I'm actually going to be doing is print the first white space which is located in the position x start. So because it needs to find, so give me the first white space. So let's see, it's located at 3. So 1 2 3, so this is where it is located. All right, so the second command is find search Portugal. There is no match, so there is no match, so there is no, it's none. So let's actually see this, and this is a split command. So what does the split do? Okay, the split is basically, when we say split, when you want to split something, splitting the bills, splitting the car gas bills, anything like 50-50, or depending upon the percentage that you have, is called split. Okay, whenever there is a match, we actually split. So let's actually see it. Okay, so let's actually see it, and what we are doing here is we are splitting at every white space character. Okay, every white space character we are splitting. So let's see, this is going to be interesting. The rain in Spain. Alright, we are splitting in every white space character. So let's actually see the other one as well. Okay, when there is a first white space character, we say split there. Okay, so let's actually see. So this is what we say first. Okay, let's see this. D, and then the remaining ones is combined. Okay, command. So this is what we are only asking to split at the first white space, not everywhere. Whereas this one is everywhere, and this is at the first. You can say 2, 3. Okay, this is up to you. All right. Now, what is a subfunction? A subfunction replaces a substitute. Okay, it actually replaces a matches with the text of your choice. It's a substitute. Like in cricket, we have substitute players. In soccer, we have substitute players. And any games that you may play. I'm only aware of cricket and soccer. Cricket, soccer, football. My apologies. Like if you're playing some other thing, I don't know what is there. But there's always a substitute player or a backup player. Okay, so now having said that, let's actually see what we do here. I'm replacing all the white space characters with 9, and I say sub. Okay, so this is a small s is the white case, and I'm replacing with 9. Okay, I'm using the sub. So what all I did, find all, search, split, and now sub. Okay, so 4 commands so far. See, wherever the white space came, 9, 9, 9. So 9, 9, 9, 3 9 should be there. Here it is, 3 9s. All right. The first 2 occurrences I'm actually replacing. Okay, remember last time we said 1, so only the first 2 occurrences, only these 2 I'm actually replacing. So let's actually see. So the rain, 9 in, and then this becomes separate. So it's only the first 2 occurrences of white space. All right. See, that is what, once one logic is correct, you can actually bring on to the other logic. Okay, so what is a match? So the match is an object containing information about the search and the result. Okay, when you find a match, a potential match, you have searched for it and you have a result. If there is no match, then none will be returned. Okay, so let's actually see what it is doing. So import regex. I'm searching, and then I'm seeing whether there is a match. So yes, there is a AI. So let's actually see. So it actually matches the object in 5,7 with match of AI. So the match is very similar to that of the search, what we're actually searching, but it actually says where exactly this match is actually happening. All right, that is what it is. So the span actually returns a tuple containing a start and the end positions. Okay, the string returns the string and the group returns a part of the string where there was a match. Okay, so now let's actually take this. So this part we are just going to be using the span. We are importing. Okay, so this is like a capital S. So the small s is a white space. So the capital S is like the character at the beginning of the word. Same text, so everything is the word, this is the word plus command, and this is a raw text. We all solve this a special sequence. So let's see what the span does. In the 12,17 we say there is an uppercase, and and we are printing the position. So that is what we are doing here. Okay, very simple. Now let's actually see this. We are searching the string, everything is the same. So x dot string. Okay, so the entire thing dot string. Okay, with the string property. So let's see this. The rain in Spain, it returns us exactly the same. Now let's actually take this for the upper command. And this is for the upper command. Okay, so this is what we said, and we are actually grouping. Remember the things that we said, with the span, the group and stuff of the nature. So that is what we are actually doing. So you can actually see what we are actually trying to search here and what we are actually trying to do. It is, I've given it here. You can actually see that, and likewise you can actually see that the string property returns a search of the search string. So this we already discussed. So search for an uppercase yes in the beginning of a word and print the word. So it is only here. It is only here, and we are giving the raw text. The small b is basically, it will match with the beginning or the end, and this is all in the word. There is no plus command, and then when you want to search in the beginning or in the end, we say like bs. So beginning or the end, and then this capital S, which is what we are actually searching, this text, and then we say group. So now let's actually run this Spain. So this is where it is actually happening. So now when you know all these things, when you actually try, the answer is easy. So you can just use this command, and you can use it for multiple of your projects. Alright friends, this actually shows the end of the regular expressions, and we'll be getting into file handling pretty soon. Okay, so I'm really excited because this is more or less like chapter 30 or 31, a month of work. So congratulations to you, kudos to you, and thanks to you. And right now it's file handling, and then we'll get into the important concepts of NumPy and Panda. So I would like to hear from you. So till we see next time, take care, cheers. Namaste friends, I trust you have actually seen my regular expression part 4. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jaishi following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers.